All right, today I'm going to be unboxing and testing this ThermoMate ceramic 5-burner cooktop. And this is a 220 volt cooktop. I had to make some adjustments to the island here. Not a big deal. It's about a 1/2 inch. I had to just chisel off. And here's a picture of the old one, which it has the knobs, not a big fan of. And here's a new one installed. Like I said, it was a pretty easy install. Anyone with any kind of a little bit of knowledge or handiwork can really get the job done, or even if you don't have the experience, just following directions. But yeah, this was really easy to install. Now we're going to go ahead and test it with the pot with water, and we're going to just test out the heat function and some of the functions on here. And it looks like this thing is pretty easy to use. It's a finger touch, so no knobs anymore. I do like it because it gives it a better look, and it's a lot easier to clean. So that is one function I'm a big fan of. So we're gonna go ahead and let this thing boil, and it's gonna take a minute, but as you can see, it's starting to already warm up that water and boil it. So let's zoom out and check it out from here. Awesome, look at that. Yeah, dude, I'm loving this thing. All right, so let's try some hash browns. It is the morning, so kids are a bit hungry, so I just go ahead and hit that button there, turn on the pan. In about a minute, this thing is nice and warm. These hash browns are already pre-cooked and pretty much already pre-made, so they're going to heat up and cook. We're just going to basically brown them. That's all we're doing here, guys. So pretty easy. We're just going to leave them on each side for about a minute, cover it, and then we'll flip them. But yeah, hopefully this video is going to help you guys determine whether you guys want to go ahead and make the purchase. I would say it was very easy to install for me, and I'm pretty sure it can be easy to install for you. Seems like it's a quality design, so we're going to be cooking on this thing pretty much daily. So yeah, I would say it's a pretty reasonable machinery here, and I'm liking it so far. And I want to cook on it again. I want to cook on it. Maybe doing some carnitas or some carne asada fries. The options you have is endless. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys.